Alright, welcome back everybody to my Upper Deck Series 1 box break. This is part 2 of the video, the last 12 packs of the box. Oh, alright. Base. Oh, Lindstrom base. And there's already a Red Wing on the back. Ooh, Malkin base. I like that picture. And then a Datsuk base for Red Wings PC. This one feels pretty thick. There's no decoys in here, which is weird. Not really. Alright. Young Gun. Cal O'Reilly. Oops, wrong guy. Sidney Crosby base. Mason. Alright. Rest of these. Alright. Checklist. Sidney Crosby. Awesome. Johan Franzen. The face of the franchise. Carey Price. That's pretty cool. Alright, there we go. Next pack. No jersey. Alright. Let's see. All-World Team, Patrick Kane. That's a good card. Steve Mason base. Marc-Andre Fleury base. Let's see. These ones are all base. Yay. Everybody likes a base pack. Young Guns, Matt Bolesky. So, for some of these Young Guns, I don't know if any of them are really that good or not. So if you know who they are and if they're good, Young Guns, rookies, comment below and let me know. Because I would like to know if I got some good rookies here. Draft Day Gems, alright. Henrik Zetterberg. That's cool. Red Wings PC. We're down to, looks like 5 packs. And here's the other jersey, so we'll save that. Put that right there on top of the other jersey. Hopefully it's a good one. Patrick Sharp base. This one looks like all base again. Alright. I think I already got 6 Young Guns. Maybe not. Base. Ooh, Young Guns, there we go. Billy Leno. That's what I'm looking for. I know he's good, so don't comment on he's a good rookie, because I know him. Alright, so I got some good cards. For me, anyways. Base. And here it is. The face of the franchise. Alexander Ovechkin. Big capitals. Logo up there. Base of the rest. Comes the last pack before the jersey pack. Let's see. That's not that. Oh, another Hockey Heroes Martin Brodeur. So awesome. 2 of the same cards in one box. Cool. Ooh, Cronwall base. Alright. Let's go on to the jersey now. We'll put it in the back. Base. Ooh, Brodeur base. And Jonathan Cheechoo jersey. Alright, so basically, thanks for watching. The 2 jerseys are for trade, if anybody wants them. We got Jeff Halpern and Jonathan Cheechoo. Oh, wow, alright. Black Swatch, White Swatch. They are for trade. I'll put the rest up on klutzenchar.com. Thanks for watching, everybody. Don't forget to subscribe, and that's it. Join klutzenchar.com, too. Alright, that's it. Peace.